What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you a product that's out by my buddy at Modern Rides Design. Now you might remember Modern Rides Design. That's the company that creates that awesome phone holder that I have in my Cobra. If you haven't seen that video, I will put a link right up there. Plus I'll put it in the description. So what does this product do for you? Well, a little bit of customization. I got it on the bench. Let's go take a look. So one modification that New Edge Mustang owners do is they change the knobs on their HVAC controls, the HVAC. These are what I'm talking about, these three. Now the factory ones are nice, and to be honest with you, that's more my theme on this Cobra. But New Edge and even Fox Body guys and gals, there's a new option for you. So what we have here is more of a rotary design. These are 3D printed. These are white, and they're pretty cool. They pop right on and off, just like the OEMs. You need one of those, probably plastic pry tools. I have a ton of those. You know, something like this, or maybe even a smaller one. You just don't want to damage the dashboard of your car. And what's cool about these are they give it more of a modern look, maybe a European look. I don't know. They're really, really nice, and they're really strong. I'll be honest with you. It's very thick plastic, very nicely cut. They have a little bit of a grip or a knurl to them because you are going to be moving them around. So these pop right on, give your New Edge or your Fox Body a brand new look. For my particular Cobra, white would probably be the way to go, but they also included these rings. These are green in color, and I think if you remove this protective film, they would be fully green. So you could just pop those out and pop these in, and then you can have green. Same with those top pieces, the kind of tip right here. This would be fully green. So they are somewhat customizable. I believe they also offer other colors as well. Maybe I'll put a couple of pictures up. And I'll put a couple of pictures up of these parts installed on the HVAC controls of a New Edge and or a Fox Body. So if this is the type of customization you're looking for, your New Edge or your Fox Body, there's a link down below. You feel free to jump in there, pick up a set. I don't make any money off this. I just like to show new products that are really, really cool. All right? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.